Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to buy a Spotify Premium with Apple Pay. So firstly navigate to the official website. Of course, to buy the subscription you need to log in into the account first, which I have already done. After that we just go explore Premium. And now guys, as you can see, I've already purchased the Premium, so I can, in my case, resume it. But in your case you can just buy it, so just choose the subscription that you wish. For example, individual, this is just a very basic subscription for anyone who wants to use. This is just for one person. Also, we have a student, duo, and family. So for example, you can just resume, or in your case, buy the new subscription. And guys, to let you know, this is possible to do from the Safari browser or from your basically iOS device. So in my case, on Windows and in my country, I can't actually pay with Apple Pay, but in your case, if you open up, for example, your Spotify application, you can't buy the subscription from the application itself. You just basically go ahead, click on the subscription, for example, resume Premium, and after that it will take you to the browser window where it will give you the possibility to buy the subscription. So as you can see, in my case, I already have a credit card or PayPal, but if you're from iPhone or from some kind of Mac or something, you can buy by using your actual Apple Pay. And after that you just choose your Apple Pay inside of your phone or your device and just pay and use the Premium. So guys, hopefully this helped you. Enjoy, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.